Let's talk about the common mistakes freelancers are making and how to avoid it. Hi fellow believers! Connie here from Freelancing with Faith YouTube channel. And in this channel, we share with you some tips, training, and video reviews to build your online freelancing business that is centered with the teachings of God. If this is something you're interested in, join us by subscribing and clicking the bell so you can get notified once we publish videos. When you're starting your freelance business, would you rather do it right the first time so you can grow faster, or would you want to experience everything first? For me, I would rather choose number 1. Yan ang shortcut to grow ang freelancing business kasi. Mas gugustuhin ko mag-succeed agad kaysa naman mag-fail pa ako, di ba? I'm sure you want that too. If I were you, learn from the mistakes of others so you won't have to experience the stress, the regret, which the past freelancers experience. Before we started on how to avoid freelancing mistakes, let's identify first the mistakes, of course. Shall we? Number 1. Working for free. If you don't have an experience in a particular skill you want to learn, it's okay to offer free services at first. However, you should always have a deadline. Depending on the level of learning you want to achieve and also on the skills you want to experience, you should never work for free for more than 2 months. Hindi man magbunga ng sales and services mo sa client, I'm sure you help them by saving time, and that is already a return on investment. Alam ko we offer free services sometimes kasi it helps us to build our confidence and be familiar with what we really want to do. And it's okay, but again, the solution is simple. Have a deadline. Huwag natin gawin forever or for free, Number 2, saying yes to everything. Bago man or matagal na sa freelancing, keep in mind that we have to set our own standards. If your responsibility is only about creating graphics for social media, don't say yes to video editing unless you're getting additional payment for that. If clients sent you a message during the weekend, don't treat it as an emergency and respond right away. If it's not urgent and it can be addressed during your business days or business hours, do that instead. Remember to set your own standards. Know your business hours and strictly implement it. You have to respect yourself and your own schedule so that clients will respect you and your schedule. If sunod-sunuran ka lang, I'm telling you, they will abuse you, so don't let them, okay? If you're curious about working hours of a freelancer, watch this video here after this video, okay? Number 3, not communicating with the client. While you are working separately and remotely, hindi ibig sabihin bedmahin mo naman si client, di ba? And even if they forget to contact you, always have the initiative to regularly update them with your tasks. Hindi naman kailangan everyday. Weekly is possible, or once every 2 weeks, pero wag naman yung wapakils tayo, di ba? Wapakils. Think about it this way. Kung ikaw si client and you know na may hiner kang tao to do a certain project, gugustuhin mo ba na hindi ka ina-update ng taong yun? Di ba hindi? Wouldn't you think that the person had run away with your money na kasi walang paramdam? Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, walang naman dyan. Number 4, asking for lower rates. Again, I know that most of us here are new to freelancing. However, that's not to say we should charge lower. Everything starts with the mindset. If ang tingin mo sa sarili mo, you only deserve this kind of rate, then that's what you get. If you said yes to a client who pays you low, that's your fault and not theirs kasi hinayaan mo lang, diba? What you need to do is not base your rate dahil baguhan ka. Ang rate dapat nakapantay sa kung anong value ang binibigay mo kay client. And kapag value na ang pinag-uusapan natin, that means it's usually higher than you think. In the future, I'll explain it to you further. But you can watch this video to learn the minimum rate you should be charging your clients. Number 5, not having time to market your freelance business. This is one of the most common mistakes freelancers do, lalo na kapag may client na. It's not really our fault kasi medyo nakuha natin yung mindset na yan sa pagiging empleyado. Diba, during our corporate days, pag nasa office tayo, nakadepende tayo sa isang employer, diba? So we don't really look for other opportunities. Well, that's not an ideal way when it comes to freelancing business. Una, we can get as many clients as we can. Mukhang paulit-ulit ko itong sasabihin na. Pangalawa, this is our own business. If hindi natin regularly mina-market ang business natin, yung flow ng money natin hindi rin consistent. Kaya ang nangyayari, we have this feast and famine cycle sa freelancing. And to be honest, hindi naman kasalanan ng pagiging freelancer natin yan eh. It's because of how we manage our freelance business and how we manage our schedule. We will be sharing with you in our upcoming videos how to market your freelance business. So, abangan nyo yan. Meanwhile, in the comment section below, share with us your biggest realization when it comes to the mistakes freelancers usually do. Excited ako makita mga sagot nyo. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and if you're wondering about the pros and cons of being a freelancer or being a virtual assistant, watch the videos that I will share with you here. See you soon!